The Master3DGage is now calibrated and its accuracy is verified. Before scanning the port, we'll align the device to the cylinder head so that we have a meaningful frame of reference for the data, which will allow us to take advantage of symmetry when modeling the ports. We'll begin with the device securely mounted and the cylinder head held fast in a vertical orientation to provide access to both ends of the ports. We'll align the device so the XY plane lies on the mating surface, with the X-axis running from one dowel hole to the other. Let's begin by selecting plane mode. We'll then measure a point on the surface at each of the four corners. Next, we'll choose circle mode. To measure the lower dowel hole, we'll record 4 points projected into the last measured plane. Let's repeat for the upper hole. We'll then choose OK to end measurement. We're now ready to create the alignment, so we'll start by clearing the highlight so that nothing is selected. Let's choose Feature Align and reposition the features in the graphics window. We'll accept the default values for the plane and the axis since they align the XY plane and the X-axis as we intended. We'll then move the origin to the center of circle 1 in both X and Y, with the Z coordinate in plane 1. Finally, we can choose OK to accept the alignment. The Master3DGage is now aligned to the cylinder head. Let's save the file before we continue, using the file name PortScan. In the next video, we'll scan one of the ports in the cylinder head. To see the difference, visit us at Verisurf.com.